this demonstration, we will again be looking at the sales prepayment invoice. However, we will now use multiple sales lines with different prepayment percentages. In order to do so, we'll use another customer 30,000, for who we did not set up any default prepayment percentages, as you can see on the customer card on the payments fast step. So let's create a new document, a new sales order for this particular customer. And you can also see there on the sales header that we have absolutely no prepayment requirements at this moment. The prepayment percentage field is set to 0. Now let's create the sales lines manually, and I have prepared 2 items with different prepayment percentages. First of all, we will use the Athens desk, and we will fill in a quantity of 1 here. For this particular item, there is no prepayment required. As you can see, if you scroll a little bit more to the right, you will see that the prepayment percentage is set to 0. This is, however, a field that is not standardly visible within Business Central, so I've added that through the personalize function. Now let's take a second item, which is the conference package. And for this item, I did set up a prepayment percentage of 25 for all customers. Let's also take 1 quantity, and you can see that it is taken to the sales line with a prepayment percentage of 25. So now you see it is possible to have different prepayment percentages combined into one sales order. If you would like to know the total of the prepayment amount, you can look at that through the statistics page. You can open that from order and then statistics. On the prepayment fast step, you will see there the field prepayment amount, excluding VAT, tax in this case, of 85 local currency. Notice that this is an editable field, which means you can change the total amount of prepayment for your sales order. It will then be spread out proportionally across the different sales lines. For this demonstration, we will leave the initial value of the prepayment amount. Notice that it's also possible to change only the prepayment amount for one particular sales line, and for that you can make also the prepayment line amount field visible on your sales lines. Now for this demonstration, the last step would be that we are going to post the sales prepayment invoice using actions, posting, prepayment, and post prepayment invoice.